Dear students, myself Deepak Vasisht, computer teacher at Halwasia Vidya Vihar, Bhiwan. We will start today the first lesson, Basic of Computer System. So, first the definition of computer, that is, computer is an electronic device which take input through input device, process it through the processing unit and transfer the output to the output device. A computer can be thought as the combination of hardware and software. The hardware means it refers to the physical part of the computer that can be touched. For example, keyboard, mouse, monitor, and other device which can be touchable. Same as the term software, it refers the instruction. Instruction means the step by steps. Programs. Programs means it is the collection of instructions. So we can say only it is referred to the instruction that tell computer what to do. Instruction indicate the computer that step by step follow the path and do the solution. In case if we define any program, first we require the data. Data means the unprocessed raw facts and figure are the data. For example, we want to collect the data of a class that contain name, marks and year. For example, name Ram, marks 72% and year 2020. This is just the data. When it convert into information, when it refer to process data, that is in meaningful arrangement, that is the meaningful arrangement of data is known as the information. The above data can be converted into information. The data just collection of facts and figure, and information is the collection of data in meaningful arrangement. After that, let us discuss the functional component of computer. First is the accept data, that is from input device, process data from the processing unit, produce result or output to the output units, and it required the storage from the storage unit. This is the functional diagram of computer system. It indicate input unit, output unit, processing unit, that is the central processing unit, and secondary or external memory. There is a arrow symbol that declare the data flow, the flow of data. The first, we take the input from the input device. Data is transferred to the processing unit. With the help of main unit and processor, we process the data. If required, data is transferred to the secondary unit or data is transferred to the output unit. This is the complete known as the IPO cycle. Input, process and output. If we get any problem, then computer follow this cycle, that is the IPO cycle, and solve all the problem according to the instructions or program. Let us discuss next topic is the strength and weakness of computer. The strength of computer is speed, high storage capacity, accuracy. First strength is the speed. The speed of computer is very high as compared to human beings. High storage capacity, today we can store large amount of data in our hard disks. Accuracy means computer can do very accurately calculations as compared to human beings. Weakness of computer, that is the lack of decision making. Second is the IQ 0 or new heuristics. IQ 0 means the system do not have its own decision making power. It just follow the program that used to calculate or do something according to the instruction. It do not know what is the previous and what is the final.